What's up, everyone? How you doing? I see Paul and Mr. G. Good evening, John. Good evening, Mr. G. Paul said, "Good morning, John. Great to see you back." Yeah, man. Sorry, I've been a little busy, but we are back. We are trading live once again, and today wasn't a great day. I didn't have a red day, obviously, but we I was up like $500 at one point, and then I went down a little bit, and then had to build myself back up. But I traded my setups, and everything worked out the way it's supposed to. So my win rate is a little low for the day. It was like 60%. So, but we're still at an overall 62, which is good. As long as we stay above 50, we are profitable according to my average win loss. So my win loss is typically about the same, close to it. Profit factor is 1.5. So far, no trades today since the close of the market, but right now we're doing good. No losses, right? Anyway, I fully expect to come down more, but I can't really say for sure. Today, I did trade the 4-hour wicks. It was like 60 points or so. I can't remember. Let's see, 20, 40, almost 60 points on this one here. And then whenever I originally jumped in, I made a little bit. I traded in Q, and then it started to go against me, and I cut out. But I got back in, and it went against me again. But we had another wick here, so I jumped back in, right? But yeah, that's kind of how my day was. I didn't really trade anything here, and to the downside, I'm scared of all-time highs. Just super scared. It's just a psychology thing. We were here, and I just couldn't go long. I wanted to, but I couldn't. But anyway, hope you guys had a good day in the market. How did y'all do? Anyone have any good trades to talk about? Would love to hear about it. So far, we are up $830 on our Top Step funded account. We are about to pass. We're about $1,200 away from passing two more combines. I'm actually about to buy two more, so we have five total. I'm just waiting. I'm just being patient, building my accounts slowly. My Apex accounts are looking pretty good. Still in the above 50,000 range. Everything's looking good. I've been taking my time with trades. I've been just chilling more, honestly. So everything's a lot better. Just taking my setups and nothing else. Sometimes I'm taking just 3 or 4 trades a day, honestly. Sometimes even less. I'll deal a lot. Pullback is safe trading. Yeah, definitely. I'm a natural bull though, so I like to trade these pullbacks. You know what I mean? This is the 4-hour chart, obviously. 240 minutes here, but yeah, I feel like we have to go up, but I want to see a little bit more pullback before we do. This candle closes in 2 hours, so honestly, I don't know that I'll even take a trade unless on the 1 minute we have like some sort of support and resistance style entry. Like right now, kind of a support and resistance trade. So we got, a little bit of upward and downward waves. If I was to go short, I would short up into this area, but I'd really rather go long. So once it comes back down to the EMA, I'm going to take the long position there. Maybe. It just depends on momentum, what the market's looking like, and, just those various factors. So many variables. But our account's looking good. We're going to get another payout from Top Step. This will be my second funded account with Top Step. Second payout with Top Step. We just need, let's see, 2 more days. 1, 2. and we can chip into this. But I want to I'm not going to take the payout. I'm going to, if I get like 500 to 1,000, like gonna try to do, because tomorrow I'm not working my normal job business that I own. So I'm actually gonna trade market open, trade the orb, the 15-minute orb, and then I'm gonna go for a little bit more gain than normal. I've been doing really well trading. I'm gonna keep at it. Instead of trading micros, I'm probably gonna go into minis. I might start with a couple micros and then work up to a mini, but we'll see. I don't know. I probably will keep my risk small and then scale into. For me, it works better. So we're 3 days funded on this account, and just need two more, Thursday and Friday, and then we can chip into that money if we want to. But I'm not. I don't think I'm going to. I'm gonna build my buffer, and trade my normal style. I gotta have a lot more drawdown to trade the way I like to trade. So, but yeah, I am definitely waiting for a pullback, my friend. Trey D, guess what, dog? What's up, man? You got a payout, didn't you? Make sure y'all hit that like button, please. Thank you. Trey D, I hope you got a payout, man. Past two accounts. What was your setup, man? What are you trading? Congratulations, too, man. 2 days in a row. Nice. So you passed 4 total or just one each day? Super proud of you, man. That's awesome, though. Regardless, just take it easy on your accounts. Build that buffer. Trade micros. Just take it easy. Hopefully, they're with a good prop firm too. Tradey passing 2 accounts. Break of structure. Nice. That's awesome, man. I'm happy for you. That's really good. So is it 2 accounts that you have funded, and with who? What firm? It's coming back down to that EMA, boys. Key is patience, though. It's hard to be patient when you're trading, and if you're not profitable, oh, my funded futures good. Glad to hear that. They pay good, though. I've never had a payout from my funded futures. I've only had 2 accounts, and I still have them. They keep rebilling every month, and I just don't trade them much. But I've been trying to. Yeah, like I was saying, though, the key is patience. You know the market's gonna go in waves, right? I mean, it's obvious. So just wait for that move. And if you feel like a move, let's say this hits down here and gets to the EMA, and I'm gonna go long, right? Like I've already told you I'm going to. Well, if the market goes the opposite direction, it just does. You gotta cut your loser, cut it fast, and then just be patient for another setup. You'll start seeing. So like when the market's gonna reverse, like it's coming down, right, for a nice little pullback here, then you'll start seeing a little wick here, more green candles. I mean, then a lot of times you'll see another pullback, like this little black candle here is. Let me just make it a little bigger so you can see. But here's the downtrend, right? And then the wicky wick, and then little indecision candle, another green candle, right? And then another retest of this area, but it doesn't do it. Here it comes back up. Be patient. Wait for these. Just wait. And then here's that big bull candle here, and it's time to go long. You're going to get some retracement. You're going to have trades that, my stop would be below this wick, just below. Yesterday, I got wicked out twice. One by literal exact price. My stop was at the exact price. And then the other was 1 point. So don't be upset if you don't get it. You'll get more setups. So that's what I'm learning as a trader myself. I mean, I've been doing this for a long time, but I'm still learning every day, if that makes sense. I'm not your guru. I'm learning and documenting my journey, obviously, but anyway, the trades go eventually. You'll start seeing it break down. It doesn't want to go further down. So a lot of times I would wait for the EMA touch, kind of a bounce off of it, but it's close enough, right? So right now it's still trying to come down. More wicks could come up, so I want to see it come a little closer to the EMA before I jump in. I want to see some more big black candles. In your case, red or whatever candle you have to the downside. But we do have some crosses on here. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. There's plenty of them. Plenty. Constant reminder. Trading's beautiful. Nice. If this does not break above here, we will continue to the downside. Nice little gap down too. I need a little snack. Kind of hungry. I thought that was going to come down. Should have played it down. But I want to chill and I want to wait for my setup. Used to, I just jump in trades, man, and just to be trading. I guess as you trade, the longer you trade, the more patient you get with the market. You get tired of losing, right? What is this? I can't remember what it is. It's got a big G on it for Google. Does anyone know what this is? Looks like something to an Xbox or a remote. It's got a G. Let me just put it in there so you can see it. Maybe to a headphone set or something. I don't know. Can't get it to show. There it is. G. It's just sitting here on my desk. This makes me want to short so bad, but I can't. I just can't. I mean, if you look at the 5-minute chart, I'm thinking opposite, right? I want to go long. But I need it to touch the EMA or the VWAP and reject. See, this right here, these were beautiful moves. I captured quite a bit of them today. When the market does the same thing over and over again, just jump in. My stops were always below this green here, below this one here whenever it was over here. And then it moved to below this one. So yeah, I mean, just got to be patient. We'll get a setup here soon. Or we won't. Just depends. Paul, did you have a good day in the market, sir? Mr. G. We know Trade D did 2 days in a row. Trading breakouts kind of fun. These are the best crackers ever. Chocolate crackers. Amazing. Paul S. Having a tough week. Sorry to hear, man. I have them too. Seem to have them a lot more lately than I ever have, but I've been doing pretty good. Staying pretty consistent lately. One thing that helps me is being busy. I'm training on an iPad every day. Today I got rained out, so I got to trade on my desktop, but oh man, they're amazing. So amazing. I hope you guys can't hear me chew. I want to short this so bad. Yeah, they're delicious. Every time my wife goes to the grocery store, she buys me a box. Sometimes 2 or 3. I don't eat them every day, but I wouldn't mind it. Gotta eat healthy. We've been getting so much rain. It's crazy. I don't mind the rain days because I get to trade at my desktop, but I got clients to get to. We look like we're in a big reversal. So that's why I'm scared to take a short position. I'll buy somewhere down in here, or at the VWAP. But see what I mean? Nice sell off and then slow grind back up. All right, so far I'm somewhat committed to the 920s for a buy. Just because price has kind of been um, up and down 50, 60 to 100, or 60 points, give or take. 50, 60 points. I would almost be okay with a short here. I know I keep saying it, but it's tempting. I'm just going to wait. I know one thing, my trading has changed a lot since I started waiting. Waiting has helped out so much. And it's a simple thing. Just wait. Problem about waiting though is this is the time price just moves super slow. So guys, I want to do an Apex giveaway today. So let's make sure we get 50 likes. If you're watching, just hanging out, make sure you hit that like button. I like blessing people with free accounts. While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna hit up my rep for some more accounts. Where you at, David? There we are. Excuse me. Most of the time people think, oh man, it's starting to go up, but I see something different. I see something trying to come down. It's just what I see. Doesn't mean it will, but I feel like it's definitely wanting to come down. I'm not in a trade at the moment, but I'm just trading support and resistance currently. I'm gonna wait for it to come down and hit to this area here. What's up, Chris? How you doing? I'm just gonna wait for the market to come down, and then I'm gonna go long. I can't short. My rules say I can't short, so can't play that way right now. But I feel like the safe bet is to wait for price to kind of come down a little bit and then take a long. I'm a natural bull anyway, so it works out for me and my mindset. Nestor Ramirez, check out the arrow. Excuse me, check out the hourly. Looks like it wants to push higher. I agree, but I feel like it has to come down. I've already looked at the hourly. Price definitely looks like it wants to run to new highs. Exactly why I'm not taking a short. I've looked at the hour, the 4 hour, and yeah, I mean, look at the wicks. It's just insane right now. All-time highs, wiki wicks, you know what I mean? I'm uninterested in a short. So I'm going to wait and let the market give me what I want. If it doesn't, then, we're good, right? We don't lose. We don't lose if we don't take a trade. But if price can get its butt down just a little bit to the 930s, I believe it's 920s, even the 930s, I'd be willing to take a 1 micro and scale in. Chris Peters, my 2 evals are stuck at 600 drawdown left. Need to turn these around. Yes, sir, you do. If I were you, but I'm not you. But if I was you, I would wait for my perfect setups. I would trade micros. I would start with 1 micro in whatever trade I'm in, and then I would scale in. But I wouldn't take any shorts at the moment. Just a heads up. That's not financial advice, by the way. I just feel like shorts are not in play right now. Even though it will come down or might come down in the meantime, I'm tempted, you know. I'm definitely tempted. We got a little trend forming here. I'm definitely tempted. I want to see it touch the VWAP or lower. But anyway, I would take a long trade when I got a one limit buy right here, and we're in micro NQ. So just take a one micro when it hits to the 920s or 930s, and then scale into your position. But we got to read the market too. We got to see how what momentum looks like. You know what I mean? If price feels like it wants to come this direction. How many wicks do we have? Do we have a lot of wicks like this right here? If you just play these wicks, man, I'm telling you, you'll do fairly well. It doesn't mean you can't get stopped out. Like, let's see, I traded this wick here, this green candle, and it came close to stopping me out. And I actually might have gotten stopped out, so it doesn't have to work perfectly. But if you get another wick here, wow, another opportunity. This black wick here, beside the wick that I traded. Let's jump back in. Look how much it went up. How many points was that? Let's see. 900 to 930, 30 points. Gold dumped on me this morning, was long. Ah, man, that sucks. Sorry to hear. Just don't forget to set your risk parameters and you're all set, right? So lately when my accounts over here, which you can't see right now, but my accounts, actually you can on the screen there, top right. When they hit 200 to 500 bucks, I won't trade them anymore. I have to clear my mind. I just can't trade them anymore. Look at that coming down like I said it would. Beautiful. I could have made money on this short, but I feel like I could have lost more. You know what I mean? So price definitely looks like it wants to jump up. So now look, it's up 400 pips. No way. Really? Let me just have a look, man. I gotta pull it up right here. Jeez. When did you take your trade? It was this morning, you said? Yeah, it definitely dumped all day, didn't it? It had one small pullback to the upside, and then down it went. Now it's... That sucks, man. Sucks really bad. Wow. Looks like a good time to short it, though. Right now. Let me just pull it down here and show you. This is the 15-minute chart, by the way. If you look at the 30, feel like it's time to come down a little bit too. The 1 hour looks like it's overextended, and the 4 hour, they all look the same. We've tried to go to the previous daily high, and it's rejecting. So doesn't mean it can't jump up anymore, but for me and my trading, I'm thinking short, and I'm only collecting a little bit of that, 10 points, you know what I mean? Not even. Maybe even 5 on gold. So, shoot, 2 points on gold is amazing, right? What platforms are you trading? I am currently looking at, what you're seeing on the screen now is Top Step X. This is a Top Step account. Just for back history, this account was... this is a brand new funded. This is my second funded account with Top Step. My second ever account with Top Step. And yeah, the first one we got paid, and then the same day I blew it. And yeah, I was not going to take the payout, but everyone voted that I should take the payout. But I like to have that buffer, so this time I'm not going to take the payout on the 15th if I get it, which I'm positive. Tomorrow I'm going to try to make this number 2,000, another 2,000. That's just the goal. I like Top Step X. First I didn't like it, but I don't really have any qualms with it right now. I like that I can trade it really good on my iPad and just on a browser. You can do that with all the other platforms too, I think. But I mostly trade on when I'm trading at home. Why is that there? One sell limit. That ain't good. Is that just a mistake? I don't know. Anyway, let me refresh it. We're gonna have to watch that because I don't want a sell limit. Anywho, where were we? I mostly trade Ninja Trader 8. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna wait and see what price does. It's time for me to look for my long position. How is it compared to trading? Trading View. Oh, this is the same as Trading View. This Top Step X is, but Ninja Trader 8, it's so much better than Trading View because price, it's more accurate. Trading View has like a slight lag. So does Top Step, but it's their platform of choice, whatever. But anyway, the looks like it's time to start. I'm gonna buy one micro, and my stop's gonna be about $100, give or take. Let's get it down to the low of day right there. And my take profit, which I never use. Eventually, I'd like to be up to a mic or a mini contract. So if it comes down against me, I'll jump in some more DCA. But Top Step it is Trading View. It's the same exact thing, exactly. But compared to Ninja Trader, I mean, it's a lot more old school, less bells and whistles. I feel like that's better for me. But everyone's different. Trading View is okay. This looks like a little bear flag coming on. Should have waited a little bit, right? Check out the higher time frames here. Yeah. We need a pullback. We need a good pullback. Sorry for coughing in the mic there. All right, guys, make sure you hit that like button. I would love to do a giveaway today. I just hit up my Apex rep to get some more codes. I owe one to Cave. All right, I took another trade on Take Profit Trader here. This is just a micro. Let's see what's going on here. See what I mean? Like, price is just so predictable. I got in way too early. 100% did. But that's okay. I know what I'm doing here. I'm fine with it. My next entry would probably be at the 915 area. I really want price to come down here. And I know it's going to suck looking at my P&L, but I know it'll go back up. Unless it's just a huge bar down, then I'm a little scared. Kind of like that right there. It gets me a little frightened, but and we're in micro, so I can afford the micro move around here. I feel like we gotta come here. If I were you guys and you wanted to take a long position, I would wait till it came down to the 911 area. 910s, it could come lower. Could come down to the 880s. But I went into this trade knowing that and expecting it, so. Just in case price bounced off the EMA, I wanted to be in the trade. And then I could have scaled in. But I'm going to scale in DCA this time. Let's go to the 1 minute and check it out real quick. Yeah, she looks like she wants to come up for sure. Looks like a big, long reversal. Can y'all see that? Big, long, slow reversal. But doesn't mean it can't go against me. We're risking $200 now. Current low of days. By the time I'm done with this trade, if it does go the way I want it to, this number will be in the $500 to $1,000 range, hopefully. It's always my goal. Then I can just call it a day. Anyone know how to change the background color? Canvas, there it is. I don't do this very often. A little lighter would be nice. Try that. Kind of like it. All right, I'm going to go back to the 5 minute because less noise. Bro, did you guys hear about trades with Will? I guess he got caught lying about trades, scamming people, man. That sucks. This industry is nuts. That's why I'm not a course seller. I'm just here to trade. Here to trade live. Earn a little money on affiliates. Trading's boring. If I was just sitting here trading, I'd probably be in the kitchen with my wife right now, you know? I mean, I guess that kind of helps just to, but I miss a lot of setups that way. I don't know. There's good pros and cons to everything, I guess. We are on the 15-minute chart now. I like to keep an eye on several different time frames. Might be reversal time now. Excuse me. I'm gonna buy one more, and my next limit buy will be way down here. Dum, dum, dum. All right, we have 20 people watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We're trying to give away an Apex account. Any size you want, Apex. I really want to give one away. So. And welcome MT to the Discord. Sorry if you guys can hear my kids being silly out there. All right. Cody Mercer, if you don't love the charts, yes, not fun. I enjoy trading. I really do. I've been trading for 10 years. Not consistent 10 years, but I've been doing it for a long time. I really enjoy looking at candlesticks. I know it sounds weird, whatever, but what happened with Will? Will got caught scamming people, man. He got caught sharing trades online, you know, like what we do, us people on YouTube, including myself. I share trades too, but mine are either actual live accounts or they are prop firms, which Will was saying he's making millions, whatever. I don't even know how much he says he's making. I've seen his videos here and there, you know, but someone posted a video about him and called him out, which, hey, I mean, you put yourself in that position, it's your own fault. I don't appreciate people lying like that. It's not cool. A lot of fake traders, TJR, J Dunn, Trendline, Tory, all fake. I don't know. Tory, I feel like I can't say for sure. She shows her broker statements. No one's found anything. J Dunn, I've heard of him being a scammer, but I don't know these guys, so can't really say. Anyway, I'm gonna jump over here and DCA one more there too. And yeah. So yeah, he was posting trades, but they're paper trades. They aren't actual trades. We can all paper trade, but I don't know. I never want to be caught up in anything like that. I have real losses. Could this be the reversal to the upside? Time will tell, right? All right, we're at 12 likes. We're almost there. Ooh, we're up $7 on our take profit account. I'm only looking for about $100 on the other trade. But for this trade, I'm trying to build my funded account. So looking for a lot more. How you do today? I did 5K, lost 4. On this account, the Top Step, I was up like $500 or $600 at one point, and then I went and lost a little bit of money, and then I had to build myself back up. But we did 272 today. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to make over $1,000. Here's all my trades right here. P&L. The last little bit of time I was just taking small scalps, not much at all. I wasn't in heavy size at all either. I was 1 micro. This was NQ trade, NQ trade, NQ. Here's my losses. I mean, you see, initially I had a nice little size. Wait, what dates are these? August 13th. What is today? 13th, right? I had to build myself back up. That's why I have 98 trades. But initially I was up like 150, 160. Did fine. And then took a couple losses. Where were they? I don't remember where. But I kept taking little base hit losses. I was a little iffy on trading to begin with because I don't like trading all-time highs. I just cannot stand it. It's not for me. If I'm going to do anything, I'm going to short because I'm too scared. Here's some more loss. But anyway, then I started recovering, bringing it back, just trading my setup. I traded my setup here too, but it just went against me. It just does that sometimes, you know? No trade setup is ever going to be perfect. I got in this one a little early because I was thinking we might bounce off VWAP, but we didn't, so I'm going to stay in and just DCA. Over here on the other accounts, though, I didn't do too hot. I think I was down 200 on each one. But I was up quite a bit. I was up 200, then I was down 200. So in total, I probably lost like, funded probably lost about $1,000, $1,500. The evals another 2,000 or 3,000 total, all my accounts. I have a lot of accounts, so the big numbers or the small numbers pile up fast. But when I do good, I do really well. You mainly do micro. Any reason? You've been trading for 10 years. I started this just finding my edge. I do micro mostly at night because it just takes forever. And I'm not a night trader. I haven't been doing the night trading thing very long. I do both micros and minis when I have my A+ set up. Trading minis, but a lot of times I still stick to micros because it takes 10 micros to scale into 1 mini, right? And I'm never trading more than 3. 3 to 5, 1 to 5 is my max, but usually 1, 2, or 3 minis. So I can scale into 20 micros on this Top Step account and be in 2 minis, you know? So I feel like I get a granular control over my trade. Like right now, I'm in 3 micros, right? When it gets down to here, I'm going to be in 5. And as it climbs up and goes into the green, I'm going to scale in even more, right? So I'll eventually be in 10, 15 micros. And that's another reason why you see my number of trades super high too, because that's just how I trade. I like scaling into things. I don't like going in full size. It limits my loss. Like I got in right here, right? I don't remember exact where the line was, but I got in here with 1 micro. Trade went against me, but I can still stay in because I'm just entering again. I'm adding size as it comes down. DCA is not a good strategy unless you do it properly. But I know that $200 is my risk limit, and that's these lows here. If it goes too much lower than this right here anyway, I really want to be out. 250 is fine. I'll be right back. I gotta be a dad for a moment. Sometimes my kids get a little rambunctious. Yeah, see. So I've only been trading futures for a year, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So 10 years total trading, but I wouldn't call that 10 years experience for sure. Been learning opening New York short quick ES scalp, 5 points, 3 lots, 300 stop loss. Do you do anything during open 30 minutes? Yeah, I do the first 15 minutes. I've been testing out the 15-minute orb strategy, and it's been working out pretty good. I look for momentum, so a lot of times New York Open on NQ or ES or any of the Qs and SPYs, whatever, but it'll start going up in a direction, right? And then all of a sudden it's a fake out. It's coming back down. So when it starts to go back down, I'm trading that downside momentum. And then opposite, if it goes down initially, I'm waiting for a reversal. What style you like? Any footprint or order flow? Do I work DOM? I have 3 DOMs, ES and QIM simultaneously running. I don't do order flow. I'm just a price action trader. I'm actually trying to learn order flow. I haven't really delved into it too much yet, but I do plan to. Order flow is interesting for sure. See, I can tell you that this is like volume, right? How many contracts maybe? I don't know if it's actual 162, but it could be 162,000, I think maybe. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it wants to come down more based off, what I'm seeing order flow wise. I don't know how to tell. So, not on here anyway. I have the DOM up here. If I can find it. Anyway, it don't matter, but I pay attention to it. I'm trying to see how price reacts to certain things. I'm always looking for extra edge in my trading for sure. Order flow is definitely interesting. I do plan to learn it, but I've never taken the time until now. But my main strategy is just looking for reversals. Like this right here, I couldn't trade it because it didn't have enough wicks, but I usually don't trade to the downside, mostly long. I'm a natural bull. But if I saw a couple candlesticks, wicks like this, then I'm interested in a short. But based on the chart, long term looking left, I was mostly interested in long positions. So I want to see price come down like it's doing. I assumed price would come down, which it has. I didn't know how much it would come down, so I'm in a losing trade at the moment, but eventually I can turn that around and it will be a winning trade. A lot of times that's what I do. Didn't realize I was muted. I apologize, but the 4 hour is the best as far as wicks because huge rejection, right? And yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's why I'm trading long currently because of higher time frame confluence. But I'm not scared of a $200 loss either. So just to see if I'm right. I'm actually about to go eat some food with my family for a quick 5 minutes, but I'm going to leave this running and let the charts play. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you hit that like button, and hopefully we'll give away that Apex account here in just a few. Look at that reversal right now. Be right back. All right, I'm back. How's the trade going? Looking pretty good. We'll see how it ends up faring for us. Catch up on the chat here. I heard it going off while I was eating. Those are passive resting orders, which can be spoofed. Yeah, I agree. It's supposed to be illegal, though, ain't it? Bon appetit. Thanks, Paul. Cody Mercer. I'm in the same trade, 3 micro. I do reverse breakouts also after consolidation. Amen, man. Neil, this in queue and what time frame? This is the 5-minute time frame, and yes, it is in queue. It's all I ever trade. Let's see, Mr. G in queue, I think 5 minutes. Yep. Thank you, Mr. G, for helping out. I ought to make you a moderator. All right, we're up 15 likes. We just need a little bit more, and we can give away an Apex account. What do y'all say? Can't get comfortable in this chair. My other chair's in there. A little bear flag playing out. I won't be adding to the trade anymore after this. Appreciate the love. Thanks, guys. All right. A steak in my teeth. I'll be All right, I'm back. What you trade before futures? I came from Forex. Traded a lot of crypto. I was in the Dogecoin whenever it was real low in 2020s. I went 3 micro MYM also. Yeah, I traded Doge. I've been buying Bitcoin since Bitcoin was around. Let's see. Mostly crypto and Forex. Forex the longest though. And then stocks for sure. I've traded stocks for more than 10 years. And not just on Robinhood. I still trade stocks, but I don't day trade stocks. I mostly buy with capital that I have. Whenever the market comes down, I take a nice little entry long and hold longer term. I've held stocks for years. I like dividend trading. I like to get my dividends every month. Excuse me. All right, looks like she's trying to come back up now, which is great. It doesn't want to come down, so this should turn into a green trade here soon. It doesn't always work out like this, by the way, so most of the time it does. I'm just looking. I know where I want to be an entry at, but I get in a little early. Small size, I can afford to take a huge a $50 to $100, $200 loss, right? And I'm even willing to take a $330 loss because that's the bottom of the market right now, right? But somebody said something. Where'd it go? Paul Log. Man, you guys spam, bro. Spam. I hate spam, man. I can't stand spam. Quit calling me. Quit texting me. God. If I wanted something that you had to offer, I would reach out. Yeah, price might come down to 20. I keep muting my mic by accident. Hang on one second. Yeah, it could come down a little more. I mean, this is a big bar, but price looks like it wants to try to push up. Or 12 previous low. Sure could. That's why you get in small size initially, just in case, if you're going to trade the way I'm trading. But I think pretty quickly we should be able to get $100 out of it, Get me started for the day, right? Tomorrow. Paul said they think maybe John doesn't know he wants what we have to offer. Man, being a business owner, I'm telling you, it is just non-stop. People are always trying to sell me like marketing, social media stuff. And I'm just like, dude, go away. Please don't make me be rude to you. I don't want to hang up. And they just keep on. Look, man, I told you, I don't want it. I'm not interested. I've done this long. I've gone this long without needing this service. I'm not going to need it. Trust me. I almost have my MBA. I've been marketing since I was 18 years old. I run Google ads. I've spent millions of dollars on Google ads. Trust me, I'm good when it comes to marketing. I'm perfectly fine without buying your service. But I always tell them, look, I don't want to be rude, so please stop. I'm gonna hang up, and I don't want to be that way. Anyway, I hate being rude. I really don't like being mean. I'm not a mean person. I'm a nice guy. Price does need to come down just a little bit more, man. Just a tad bit more. I'd like to see it hit my limit, honestly. And then reverse. This looks like a little pullback, and then another slight pullback, and then it should come down just a little bit more at least. How often do you hear a trader saying they want price to go against them? It's just part of my strategy. What I want to see happen. Still at 16 likes, man. We got 25 people watching. You guys hit that like button for me, please. Somebody wants to win an Apex account. And if you don't, help someone else. Hit that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Helps me grow this channel. I appreciate it. We're a new channel. We've been around for a couple months now. Almost 800 subscribers. I didn't think we'd be here this fast, that's for sure. Just a month ago, I was at like 100. Just chilling, trading, keeping it real, sharing everything. All right, 17 likes plus 2 new subscribers. Welcome in. And if you want, feel free to join the Discord. I do post in there from time to time. Neil, sure. Thanks, brother. Louis Duran, welcome to the channel, sir. Sleepwalker, new here, like the vibe. Thanks, man, I appreciate it. I like the vibe here, too. Most of the people at the afternoon session that I hang out with, it's always new people, but most of the time they're a lot cooler. I don't know why, but I'm not saying the people from, morning trading they're not cool, but I'm not saying that they're not, but I'm just saying it is definitely a more chill vibe at night. Talking to my family, sorry, they're just behind my computer here. All right. I feel like it is reversal territory now, maybe. We'll see. This candle, sometime or another, needs to come above these, needs to close. Interesting, I've been maining Forex since May, but I've seen quite a lot of futures traders. You have any idea why people prefer futures? I'll tell you why I prefer futures. All right, think of it like this. You've got USD, JPY. All right, you have 2 pairs, 2 currencies, 2 countries, 2 everything to worry about, right? What if Japanese yen gets weak, or USD, I don't know, stock market prices fall, or I don't know, anything can happen between 2 Forex pairs, right? Whereas futures, Nasdaq specifically, it's just one thing. You got to worry about anything U.S. red folder. You have to worry about the president talking, Jerome Powell speaking. You have less to worry about. So I just feel like that, in my opinion, futures are so much easier. Also, Forex, there's not really enough regulation. So, yeah, I mean, I feel like you got to be careful. Let's see. Domit got in at 959 short. Congratulations, man. I wanted to short up here. And I even said that about right here, give or take. I don't remember where it was. Somewhere in here, I said I want to short this. But I could, because the looking left, I feel like, in the higher time frames also, I just feel like it's long play territory. Short term, yeah, short would have been fine, and I even said that. But for me, I just want to wait until price gets to where I want, and I want to go long. Understandable, but to be honest, never really been affected since my strategy is built on Sydney and Tokyo and sometimes New York, but rarely. But makes sense, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I understand. I'm also worried about uh, brokers. Like, I don't know, Oanda. I feel like you could look at Oanda and another forex broker. Price just seems different, man. I've seen some things where uh, the difference was so much in charts too, and later on I feel like it was changed to look proper. You know, I don't know. I just don't trust it. I started learning futures last year, and so far I've done a lot better than I did in forex. So I haven't made as much money in futures as I have forex, but um, I feel like my gains a lot quicker, and I could just be watching candlesticks in general, being used to the charts, all that good stuff. So I don't know what it is, but since I changed to futures, I feel like I've had a lot better success. And I keep up to date with news. I've got 6 monitors here that I'm looking at surrounding me. The thumbnail of this video is my setup, my trading setup. Yeah, short play was a good play, man. I'm glad you got in, Dome it. I just gotta trade the way I trade. And I was tempted. I said it like 3 or 4 times at least. I don't know how many times, but I said it a couple times. And I really wanted a short. Really wanted a short, but I couldn't do it. I really want price to come down into here and hit my limit and dart to the upside. That's what I want. I'll scale in a little heavy and then exit. I could just exit the trade now and wait, but if price goes up, I don't want to be out of the trade. That's kind of why I use the DCA strategy. Sometimes I don't use DCA all the time. I scale into the trades most of the time. I should have known better though. VWAP is too new at the moment to be most accurate. So bounce off VWAP was not ideal. Newbie mistake. Another bear flag playing out. We definitely need a reversal here, though. It looks like it's trying to trade sideways, which is good. Good news. Kind of goes sideways and then boom to the upside. Or it could come down sideways and down even more. You typically trade Asia session. Sometimes I don't trade it all the time, but I take a couple trades here and there. Yeah, mostly New York session. But I stream only at night usually because I own a business during the day, and I can't really get on live. Bovash just subscribe. Welcome to the channel. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, there we go. Thanks for your subscription, sir. Make sure you hit that like button too. We're at 20 likes. We need 30 more, and we can give away an Apex account. I get excited giving away accounts. It's fun. I like to reward. I thought my computer was crashing. That's what it usually looks like right before a crash. Yeah, because I found reasons within Sydney and Tokyo, then by London, price shoots up in the direction I expect. Nice, man. I still take a trade here and there on Oanda. It's been a while since I've opened up my Oanda account, though. Excuse me. I withdrew most of my money out of Oanda and put it in Trade Station, and then Ninja Trader. I feel like trading on the phone is too rough, man. You can do it, but it's not ideal, you know? Things look different on the phone. And by New York, it might keep pushing after a retrace, so I normally take solid stop loss and profit. Heck yeah, man. I like New York session. It moves so fast. The thrill. All right, there's that bear flag playing out. Double bottom. Hopefully it's time to go up. Looks like a nice little rejection. How much time is left on this candle? 3 minutes? What's the 1 minute looking like? Yeah, we're definitely trading sideways. It's either building momentum to go up or honestly, I don't know. It could come down, but I'd like to do it. I'd like for it to do something, that's for sure. If it hits the 20s again, I'm going to add one more contract. I might do it now, that wick. Do you target the buy side or sell side liquidity for take profit or risk to reward ratio or something else? I don't have a, so my take profit is way up here, right? I don't care where my take profit is. I'm going to take my stop and I'm going to scale. So let me just show you right here. So let's say I got long here, right? Price went against me for a bit, went up, went down. All right, we're up, right? My stop loss is going to be trailed behind that candle. Now we got up, this candle closed. My next candle goes up. My stop loss is going below this candle here. Then below this one, and then I would have got stopped out eventually. Well, maybe not, because it would have been bottom of this candle. And price didn't reach that bottom. But still, I just go candle by candle, bar by bar. I don't ever hit target. I hit a target today, but it was because I wasn't paying attention. It was on my top right screen up here, and I was not paying attention. I think I made like $700-800 on that trade. Nice little trade. So yeah, I don't like hitting a target because what if price goes up, man? You know, I'm trailing that sucker. I'm trailing, and I'm trailing hard. And I'll scale in at the 930s if we hit that. See, price didn't come back down here, so I can't really buy in right now because I feel like it's not a for sure going up thing yet. It could be coming down still. We're kind of breaking structure here. I want to see it come up above the 930s. I'll scale in one contract, and then if we get past this little high right here, 936, I'll jump in another one. And then we start working closer to the break even, I'll scale in some more. Or I'll hold off. I might just add one contract on the upway, and then when we go into the green and get past the 950s, 947 area, I will start thinking more scale. But for now, I'm just going to chill. It doesn't look like it's coming up just yet. Wants to consolidate a little more. And this sucker could go down. Could come down pretty heavy. It is working its way down still. But I'm not concerned because we still have a little bit of time. I mean, it looks like it's rejecting still. See all these wicks here? It's definitely rejection territory. This price has to get below here and close below here if it wants to come down more. Probably just a slow liquidity grab. I really need this candle to be green though. Stay green, dude. These are 5 points each bar. So we're about 5 points wick here if it stays wick. This is the 30-minute. 15-minute looks even better. Kind of have a trend to the upside. But we've broken that trend. And then we also have a trend consolidating. Got a support and resistance area. Price hits here, should bounce. Theoretically. Hopefully. And if not, I'll lose $200. $250. I think we come down to 821 area. PPI sends us higher tomorrow during New York. Could be wrong, just what I think. Hey man, you're entitled to your opinion. 821. That's way down, huh? Let me just look left a little bit. You could be right, because we do have some gaps here. A lot of times price does come down pretty hard, especially at all-time highs. If you look at the 1 hour here. Sorry about the background noise. My daughter's crying in the background. She's 4, so. All-time high went down. I mean, that was a nice little trend to the upside. I love trading this. This was fun. But prior to that, I mean, I don't know. Is the upward momentum over yet, you think? I mean, I think we could come down to the 800s. It's not impossible. And on average, we do come down, let's see, 801 to 585. Couple hundred points, right? 800s to 600. So 200 points. This is 24,000 to... We're not quite 200 points yet, but typical 100 to 200 points is what I'm seeing lately. But, I mean, I don't know. Let's see what happens, I guess. I definitely want this candle to be green. Or a long wick like these. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, it kind of looks the same as what it did last time, you know? All-time high, down, up, up hard. Scott and Trish Popma. New York lows just below. Scott thinks we're going to hit New York lows or just below. That was 9:30. Let's see. Yeah, I could see us coming back down, test the 880s. Yeah, we'll have to watch and see. Yeah, definitely. It's not impossible for it to come low. My stop is not set in stone just yet. I want to see how price is reacting. I feel like if it comes below these wicks, though, I do want to get out. So, my 150. I don't know. We'll see. Scott, you retracted your message. I agreed with you. You know what I mean? I feel like you're possibly right. So you don't have to remove it. My stop is at New York lows because I'm just keeping it fluid right now. I haven't really decided if I want to enter again here at the lows here or not. But I think you could be right. I should have waited and entered, but I was thinking of bounce off VWAP, so I wanted to be in. I should have got out a long time ago, or not scaled in as much just yet. But I'm not that worried about it. I feel like overall we're gonna come up. I'm anxious to see what happens here at the 900, 910, 910, 912 area. We're starting to get a little bit of resistance here, you know what I mean? So, yeah, nice straight down action and then some resistance. Came back down, a little bit of indecision, down again, but could come back running up here. So, I'm not sure. When you're playing like the support and resistance trades, it's never the same, exact dollar. You know what I mean? So I kind of think we move up from here, though. It's trying to do something different. Bear and bull tug of war, for sure. All right, we have a minute left of this candle. I really hope to see that candle swallows that prior candle. Look at that beautiful green candle. This could be a trap, though, to trap buyers. Get in long. Oh, no, it's going against us. Boom. I definitely want to see that candle close up, though. That's going to be awesome. All right, we're at 21 likes. Still just need a little bit more. We have 25 people watching. Let's hit that like button, guys. Trying to do a giveaway. Apex. Any account size you want. If you're not going to be here for the giveaway, that's okay. You can help someone else win it by hitting that like button. Apex requires me to have minimum 50 likes before I do the giveaway, so I have to stick to it. 50 likes. And we're at 21. We need 29 more. 29 more. We'll get there eventually. Usually it happens within an hour or two. All right. Candle closed above. I want to scale in. I'm going to get rid of this limit. And I think I'm going to move my stop to $200, give or take. I might move it lower. I want to see what price does, though. It could come retest and make another retest of this price, but I really feel like we're scooting along to the upside now. I mean, you see how it reacts before? I'm going to keep my stop at the lows. We're going to risk $300. Some people think I'm crazy with the way I trade, but it works for me, right? I'm getting payouts. Are you? Yeah, baby. Let's go. I'm scaled into 4. I want to start scaling in once we turn green. Maybe one more before, but I doubt it. I eventually want to be up to a mini and a half, 2 minis. So that would be 20 contract or 15 to 20 contracts, micros. I'm going to go to the restroom real quick and speak to my wife and my kids. I'll be right back. Hang tight. Let's watch this. All right, guys, we are pretty much at break even now. I don't want to scale in just yet, but I'm pretty confident in the trade to the upside. I feel like it's time to go back up. All right, how many likes? We're at 24. We need 26 more likes to go. Nice. I'm ready to give that Apex account away. I love seeing success stories. Like earlier today when we got on live stream, who was it? It was Trade D, I think. Yeah, Trade D. 2 days in a row, past 2 accounts. Trading breakouts. Break of structure. Here's your break of structure. It's going down. It's trying to come back up. But this could be a lower high, too, at the same time. So got to be careful scaling in. I fully anticipate that it could come back down to the 18s and revisit even lower. But if it doesn't make it lower than this area here, the 918 down to 915s, closing below this green candle here, I have a hard time thinking we're going much further down. But that's just my opinion, my thoughts on the market. Doesn't mean I'm right. Just means that's here's a bull flag playing out, hopefully. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's give us some money. I'm going to go ahead and scale in just on that bull flag alone. Just one contract, though. And as we get above or at EMA or VWAP, I might scale in anymore. Can you make a trade for me on your screen, bro? You're going to make money. Samuel Cry. 100% sure. What are you trying to get me to trade, man? Samuel Sear, not Cry. Times Enigma. Hi. Hey, how you doing? All right, we're at 25 likes. We still need 25 more. Apex Trader Funding account giveaway. Samuel, I don't think I can take a trade for you. I mean, I don't know. We'll see if I like it. 100% sure. Now that right there started out a little bit guru-ish. Can't be 100% sure. I'm not even 100% sure I'm going to make money on this trade. So I do like price action so far, though. So market repeats itself. It does what it does. It's the definition of insanity. $26 likes. 24 more to go. Thanks to everyone that liked. I appreciate it. We have 28 people watching right now. We can get a little more likes, I'm sure. It's not for me. It's for you guys. Oh, someone unliked it. That's not fair. Can you explain why you're going long? Well, I can, absolutely. So let's start with the 4-hour time frame, okay? Let me scale this out a little bit for you. So price is at all-time highs, right? We have a wick here. It decided to come down. These little wicks kind of tell a story. The story is that price tried to go this high, but it cannot and will not go that high. So price tried to come down, right? It wanted to find balance. And so far, it's found balance. However, price tried to come lower. It couldn't do it. Bears tried to push, but it wouldn't do it. It stopped. Now it's trying to come up. These wicks are a good sign to the upside. Now this candle right here is it is a indecision candle. So I'm more leaning towards longs because of the wick here. Even though we have a nice little wick here, it doesn't mean price can't go through it. It doesn't mean it can't go through it here either. But if I'm a betting man, I'm betting to the upside because of rejection down here. Plus, I mean, I'm a natural bull, and the Nasdaq over periods of years has, let's go to the daily chart and scale it really down. The daily chart looks pretty bearish to me, honestly, but it also looks bullish because we have a bull flag playing out. So anyway, the price on Nasdaq historically, it's just up, right? Let me just scale it out for you and show you. Let's go to the very first day. So the very first day traded on this chart. Here it is. It's always up overall. You know what I mean? Doesn't mean it won't come down. It will. It came down here, but it's historically up. So my bias or my trades are typically to the upside, but more so than the downside. If I see a down setup, I'll take it, but I'm a natural bull, if that makes sense. All right, price is looking really good to the upside, guys. I'm not going to scale in anymore, though, because I want to see price actually take this, what you would call a fair value gap. I want to see it surpass the EMA. We're already in the green, though, so that's awesome. We got our lows there. We're up 32 bucks now. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute, get a little granular on my exit. Let's see, catch up on the chat. Retest the high. I don't know. We'll see. Could retest the high. You might be right on the longs. Yeah, I feel like I'm pretty right. Retest the high. So you're playing the 4-hour chart. So I'm not just playing the 4-hour chart. I'm playing like I have several different confluences always. It's not just, I'm trading the 1 minute. My execution's typically 1 or 5 minute chart, but I'm mostly looking at higher time frame for confluence for sure. I mean, price, you can just tell price is rejecting down here. It's rejecting. It's tried to come here and then it reversed. Tried to come down here again. It's reversing. So, I mean, this is a great candle right here. Beautiful candle. That was at 1 p.m. today. So price tried to come down, but it couldn't do it. Just my opinion, you know, it doesn't mean I'm right. I'm not always 100% right. So, but I get payouts and I make money trading. I also own a business. I make $2,000 a day on average, you know, my normal business. I'm not hurting for money. I do this because I like to make more money. I'm not trying to sound cocky either, so don't take me the wrong way. Samuel Sayo. Samuel TP1 2 3 939 939. What are you talking about? Are you talking? No, I can't take TP1. I'm confused. Got 3 micros trying to get dropped down back. Chris Peters, I feel like this is a good trade to the upside for sure, man. I don't necessarily think 3 micros is the answer. One at a time, scale in. But overall, I feel like we're going to come up and retest this area here from the 24,000 range before London session at some point. Thanks for the explanation. No problem, brother. Anytime. Take 1 lot for you. Here, I'll buy 1 more for you. We're at 6 contracts now. I can't set my TP at 23939 because we're pretty much at that level. I want to hit it at 960s. Bitcoin can't be only one to hit ATM today. You mean ATH, right? Definitely wants to go up. TFF said, but there's no volume at the moment, so is this going to be an overnight trade you hold through London session or maybe into New York session? No, I don't think I'm going to hold it that long. I just short term. Nothing crazy. I'm not looking for, you know, a $500 trade here. I do like $500 to $1,000 trades, but if I don't think I can hold it that long. I'm not going to be on live stream that long, and I have a family, so I got to get to them. But I'll eventually take my trade, take my profits. All right, I'm going to scale down to the 5-minute chart here. What's up, wifey? You okay? Yeah. Tired? You look it. Been in this trade for 2 hours, almost. Finally turning green. We're at 28 likes, almost there.
To a free giveaway?
Yeah, Apex account. I love it when you do that. All right, are we going to break through VWAP or is it going to bounce? I'm going to de-risk because if it bounces, I want out. So we'll lose 50 bucks. So far it's rejecting. Beautiful girlfriends. Just one. She's my wife. See? Wait, which hand is it? I put a ring on that one, man. She is gorgeous. On top of that, we have a little baby on the way. Turn sideways. See, look at that.
No.
We have 3 months left. About to have a little baby girl, Marley. So this trade needs to work out, Nasdaq. I'm gonna lower my stop to about 100 bucks. What?
His comment is funny.
When my wife does that to me, hugs me, then massages me, that means she wants something.
Hey, there's money involved over here. Gotta relax, my honey.
Samuel said, "Can you told your girlfriend Sam he gonna make you rich?" Ha ha ha. Sam's gonna make me rich. I don't know how, but anyway, he told me to take a trade, and it's so far we're both wrong, man. But I think it's gonna wick up, so that'd be a good sign. It needs to get through VWAP. I'm holding just because I feel like, but I don't like this big black bar at all. But we did end up in the green, so lessened our risk. If it's gonna come up, it's gonna do it now. If it's gonna come down, it's gonna hit my stop and we're gonna be out. Come back. And Tom's Enigma, she always wants something, man. I hope it goes up for you, bro. Thank you, man. So far, it's looking good. We have 2 minutes left of this candle.
I'm gonna go lay down.
Are you?
Yeah. We want something.
What is that? I wonder what that could be. Means I gotta get a flash stream, huh?
Oh my god.
I'll see you in a minute.
Yeah. One's still at the dinner table.
Seriously, she's still eating?
It's 9:15.
All right, she's had enough time. Tell her to get to bed. Okay. LOL, women. Yeah, my woman's a little, yeah. She loves her husband, that's for sure. She loves our alone time. All right, Nasdaq, we gotta go up. I'll get rid of this gap on my numbers there. Close green and it back to the upside. Let's go. Yeah, really. Close on your high. getting a little bit of momentum though. I feel like it's a tug of war set. All right, we're at 28 likes. We need 22 more. Let's go, guys. I'm going to go 100 contracts short. It goes up for you. Don't do that, man. I'd rather lose $100 than you lose whatever 100 contracts would do. I'm not greedy. I'm very blessed. The Lord has definitely blessed me and my house. I'm sure you can't just throw 100 contracts. Don't do that. All right, so I don't like that candle. It looks like it rejected off the VWAP. It doesn't mean it won't come back up, but I'm gonna let it stop me at $100. I'm not going to move my stop from here. This is kind of 23,917 for sure. Samuel, you telling me to move my stop to 23,917? Nah, I'm gonna leave it where it's at. I don't think I need to move it. If it goes any lower than where it's at now, I want to be stopped out. Sorry, man. TP3 23945. I'm not gonna move my stop. My stop's where it's at. I've got rules. I've got to stick to them. I get payouts, and I get them by sticking to my rules. Samuel Sear is a backseat trader. He might be a good trader. We don't know that, but who knows? I am honest. That's good, man. I hope you are honest. All right, we're still at 28 likes, guys. We got to get just a little bit more so I can give this account away. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't already. I sure appreciate it. Samuel, it's okay, man. No big deal. We're all good here. We're just watching the Nasdaq and having fun. That's all it is. We're a bunch of traders who like to watch the market. It's not that serious. My stop is good where it's at because that's the amount that I'm willing to risk on this trade. If I get stopped out, it's okay. I'm not gonna lose my house. You know what I mean? I feel like $100 loss is better than a $500. Put my line for me on your screen. Hang on one second. All right, your line. What's going on here? Your line was 23,945. We'll do it. We'll do that. 23,945. And then your other line was stop loss was 23,917. Let's do that. That I can get behind. $23,917. All right, we're there. $23,917. This is our stop. And this is our take profit. We'll just change the colors. Beautiful. And we'll keep watching. Looks like we're starting to form a new trend here, so higher lows and all that good stuff. So got a nice little higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, Should reach up into the 45s. Ideally, I'd like for it to. All right, we're at 30 likes. We need 20 more. Apex account giveaway. Hit that like button, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like giving away accounts, but I can't do it until we hit a certain goal. 50. I am in 45 mini lots. Post a screenshot on my Discord. I want to see that. What's your entry, Samuel? 45 minis. From where? From what price? What's your entry? I want to know. Post it on the Discord. I'll share it on my live stream. But I want to see the account too. Is it a paper trading account, or is it a live account where you have your own funds, or is it a prop firm? Well, it can't be a prop firm because you're in 45 minis. Don't worry, bro, for the trade. I'm not worried. I'm the most calm day trader there is. I don't want to lose $100, but we'll see. 32,929. We'll make a new line for that. Let's see. Cologne 32. 929. All right, I'm gonna change this color to, I don't know, purple. That's his entry. Sounds like a sim account to me. Yeah, I agree. Definitely gambling. But we'll see. Let's see how he does. His entry is my stop loss. Pretty much. That's what we like right there. Look at that. Go, baby, go. You want to buy? Yes, sir, T-Bird. I'm in a long position. I've been in a long position for 2 hours now. Raleigh Moore at 31 likes. 32 likes. You're wrong, sir. Or ma'am. Sorry if you're a ma'am. I don't mean any disrespect. Just gonna check. All right, so no. It's a man. Sir. All right, Nasdaq, push, baby. We have 2 minutes and 35 seconds of this candle. We just need about 20, 30 points. My wife's probably watching on the TV in our bedroom or on her phone. She's got to see me win so I can buy a boat. Just kidding. I can buy a boat anyway. But I'm not. Is that you, Megan, hitting all those hearts? Somebody's hitting them. It's definitely not me. Well, it stops as soon as I put my hands up. But it's not me. My TP4. What was your TP4? 33 likes. 961. TP4. Okay. This is your TP1, right? The 945. And you're in 45 minis. Man, oh man, oh man. How much are you up right now? You're up like, let's see, how many points? 45 minutes, 929 to 930. Just 1 point. 45 times 20. You're up $900 right now as we speak. Raleigh Moore, what time frame? This is the 5 minute currently. The trade was based on higher time frame confluence. I fully expected a bounce off the VWAP, but it went way down. But the reason why I stayed in the trade is because of this area here and the 4-hour, 1-hour charts. We've got some rejection down here. Wicks are always my friend in trading. So, but we're taking care of the trade on the 5-minute here. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, but if we do, no big deal. We were in the green for a short period, up like 30 or 40 bucks. But Samuel's in a 45 mini contract trade at the purple line there, 929. I'm not going to move my stop, Samuel. Can't do it, man. You can't guarantee something like that, man. I know that just looking at the 2 bars right here, I mean, I feel like we're going to go up more, but I'm not going to move my stop. My risk settings are my risk settings. If it goes back down to the 917 area like you're telling me to move my stop, then I might jump in again. I'm looking at that area as a bounce or a double bottom. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to get stopped out. I could. I'm not 100% perfect, but we'll see. 10 years of trading for me. Post it on the Discord. Show me your trade that you're in. If you show me your trade, I'll move my stop. I'll move my $100 risk to a $220 risk. Discord. Samuel, Discord. Post a screenshot. But I don't want to see a paper trade. I mean, if it's paper trade, it's fine. Just tell me that. It's fine. No big deal. All right, Nasdaq. We have 3 minutes, 22 seconds. Let's get a nice little push to the upside. T-Bird trading. I'm in a paper trade. Nice. Me too, actually. Technically, I'm trading Top Step, so it's not live market. It is, but it's not, if that makes sense. Chris Peters going up. Yeah, I hope so. Chris, just take your time, man. Work on that account slowly. Get these little $50 base hits, man. You'll be golden. You'll be all set. Oh yeah, Domit87. Thanks for your subscription. Appreciate the support. We're about to hit 800 subscribers, man. I can't believe it. I don't have it. Take ES for me. 2-lot mini. I'm not doing it, man. You don't have what? Discord? You can download it. Go live. I'll pull up your channel. Can you share your screen on your own YouTube channel? Show us 10 years of trading. I've been trading 10 years too, but I don't trade 45 minis, and I never will. 3 micros at 933. So you're pretty much just break even right now. You trade other sessions? Yeah, I trade mostly New York. I get on live stream to hang out with the cool kids and do a little trading at night too. Raleigh Moore, what prop firm are you using? This is Top Step. I have Take Profit Trader, 2 accounts, Apex, I don't even know how many accounts. Funding Ticks, 4 accounts. Tradeify, several. Take Profit Trader, several. Yeah. Got a lot of, I have Bill Knox, 4 accounts. I have a lot. What's up, Massey? How you doing, man? I'm doing pretty good, man. Chris Peters, only risking 25, 4-1, hopefully. Nice. My entry on ES 6484 hit my TP2 at 6486. Nice, man. Congrats. You have fun with that paper trading. Black off. Yo, what's good, John? What's up, brother? All right, we're at 37 likes. We're almost there, guys. I want to do that giveaway, Apex account giveaway. And I'd like to go to bed too. You guys saw my wife. All right, Nasdaq, you got to give us something here. You have to give us a green candle that hits the green line at 9:45. Don't, no problem, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah. Black off, RFT. What does that mean? Real fun time? All right, we have a little gap to the downside. Samuel, can I see her face? Sure. I'll pull a Facebook picture. She's gorgeous. Beautiful woman. Let's see. This is my family, my beautiful wife, our 3 kids, and 1 cooking. Beautiful woman. Get back to the chat. RFT trader. RFT trader. Cut your trade now. Nah, I'm going to let it hit my stop loss, my friend. Samuel, I'm going to put you in a timeout, man. We'll go with 10 minutes. All right? Let's chill for a bit. We're not going to... I don't even know what I'm trying to say, man. You're just making yourself sound bad. Let's chill. This is a chill environment. We're not here to call. Look at that. Hit my stop loss. Tay-Day, I was trading yesterday around this time. Really started moving around 12. Yeah, I can't stay up that late. I won't make it for New York Open if I do. What time is it now? 9:30? 9:30 here. All right, so we lost $100 on that trade. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We're at 38 likes. We need 12 more. We just got wicked out. Should have moved my stop just a little bit, maybe. I barely get wicked out all the time, and it's really frustrating because then the market just darts. It did it to me twice yesterday. Twice. Black off. You have a beautiful family. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that, and I 100% agree. They're my favorite people in the world. Chris Peters, mine hit way before yours. Oh, man. I was a tad lower. Dang, dude. Hopefully, no, you were at 33 entry, so you lost a few points. Not a big deal, man. But don't give up if you don't make it, dude. It's all good. May God bless everyone. Absolutely. Thank you, sir, for saying that. Sometimes we all need a reminder. And for me, it's in the charts, man. Look at that beautiful cross. It's a reminder that God sacrificed for us. We don't deserve it. I still feel like she can go up. But I'm not going to trade it. I don't really trade this session much. Do a little bit. Not much. All right, so Samuel, his trade is still good. It didn't... Oh, he's telling me to cut it now. He thinks it's going to go against us for good. But I still think it's going up. 39 likes. We need 11 more. And I'm about to go to bed, just so you know. About 5-10 minutes. My balance is still at 50K. Drawdown 591. Now on 2 accounts. Man, that sucks, dude. Mr. G, how's everything going? I'm back. Was on the gym. My trade got stopped out for $100 loss. We were up. I was in a long position. I was in that position for 2.5 hours almost. The entry was about right here, and we came into profit about $40, and then I moved my stop to de-risk because this candle here, and it ultimately stopped me out about right here where the purple line is. So, yeah. Anyway, Samuel was trying to get me to move my stop down here, and I wasn't gonna do it. So, price looks like it's trying to trend down. You know what I mean? So, it could trend down for a little while until London session. So, I mean, we kind of have lower highs moving on. I don't know. My stop was $100, so we lost $100. No big deal. We live to trade another day. And we're at 42 likes. We need 8 more to do the giveaway. Trade day. I like watching other people trade. I'm the only one in my friends group that trades, so I can't talk to them about it. I know how that is, man. No one in my life trades. But there are a few people that watch this stream that live close by. A couple people in Alabama, northern Alabama. One guy in Kentucky, and another lady, like literally 20 minutes from me. And then there's someone else not far, someone in Murfreesboro, but I can't remember who they are. Carlos Alvarez, thank you for your subscription and your support. I see a good trade to buy now. Stop loss into the lower lows. Yeah, if we come down to the 920s, 924, 925, 920 area, then I'd be willing to take another long position. But for now, I want to stay out for now. Unless I see a break of structure, and then we'll long into it. Oh, okay, I see. Let's see if we got another opportunity. Yeah, I hope so. I don't have much time, and I'm going to bed, so. Where you live? I live in Middle Tennessee, a town called Tullahoma. It's 9:30 here also. Where you live? Central Time, sir? I'm all the way in D.C., most likely trade New York open. Yeah, I trade New York open. I see Miss or CISD and Fair Value Gap plus OB. It's a good buy. I don't trade ICT, brother. I'm sorry. I do like to keep it in mind, maybe. There is that fair value gap right here, but did we close on? No, we still have a little bit left on it, but then we have another one here. So, I mean, definite long position. I'm going to open a long position, 1 micro on an eval and go to bed with it. That's for sure. 771. I'd like to see that 777. It's my favorite number. All right, we're at 43 likes. We just need a few more. I'm ready for that 777 live subscriber count. It's the number of our Lord. T-Bird Trading said up $1,600 on paper. Nice, man. Raleigh Mora, I see a comment on here, but I can't see any message. Your comment was blank. What was that? I'm trying to get a payout before my birthday in September. Pretty close. Nice, man. I just took a payout last week on Top Step. Got paid like 4 days ago. Something like that. I don't know. We'll be eligible for another payout in 2 days. So today, tomorrow, next day, Thursday and Friday. As long as we hit the 150 plus, but I'm not going to take the payout. I'm going to take the payout probably around Friday the 22nd. I'd like to build up that buffer. No, I'm not currently in a trade. I was, but I got stopped out. I like to follow my rules. We have a lower high here, and judging by the candles, it looks like it wants to come down and retest these lows again. So I would say play it safe and stay out for now. We come down to this blue line, maybe take a trade, but it's still kind of iffy. Probably more sent it blank by accident. Okay, no worries. David McDowell, you in a trade right now? No, sir. I already read that, didn't I? Hey, honey. Ah, nice. I'm in Louisiana. I used to live in Louisiana, a place called Mandeville. Mandeville, right by the bridge. I haven't had a payout since June. Had 3 good payouts from Tay Day. Gotcha, man. I know the struggle. I've had good payouts, and then I went through a rough patch myself. All right. Apex just text me the codes. We're almost there. We need 5 more likes. See, now I like this trade. It looks like it's ready to go up. But we can try it with 1 micro. We'll see. Risk $30. What do you say? Well, maybe we can make a dent back into towards the green. Messi and Warriors shows you are in a trade right underneath your webcam video. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I am in a trade, the same trade, but my stop's much lower, and I'm only in 2 micros. So yeah, I'm still in a trade on Take Profit Trader. Sorry, I forgot about it, to be honest with you. I'm glad you reminded me. David McDowell, is this the 5-minute time frame? Yes, sir, it is. I'm going to invite Apex to the stream. All right, we're up $3.50. Woohoo! I might actually scale into this. We'll keep scaling, especially if it retests VWAP, and I might end up in about a mini contract. $2,800 up. Oh, now you're up $2,800. Nice, man. If we can get to VWAP, man, I'm kind of have like a bull flag here. Come on, Nasdaq, you got this. Let's go. It's definitely reversal territory. See, our trade was right. Our stop was just a little too tight, but it's always better to trade on the side of caution whenever, risk is important, right? I'm going to scale into 4 contracts and hope that we hit VWAP. Actually, I want to hit one more in there. We have 2 seconds left of this big green bar, so I'm pretty confident we're going to go up. Tay-Day said, I just have to take my time like I did in June, but in July I felt myself trying to rush the process. Just kept blowing up. July wasn't a great month for me. We will take the higher high. Dome it. Oh, nice. Black off. Ha. Maybe. All right, we're at 45 likes. We need 5 more and we'll do a giveaway. And my God, Apex literally just texted me these codes. Edward Martin, what time frame is the chart? This is the 5 minute, but my trade was based on the 4 hour, the 1 hour. See all the rejection here, you know what I mean? Still pumping to the upside. Nice little rejection candle here, indecision candle, but still rejection also. That's the confluence, higher time frame confluence. Right now we're just looking at the 5 minute and just watching. Kind of broke this little trend that we're in and moving to the upside, it looks like. I really think we're going to go up to VWAP. We're at 774 subs. That's awesome. 3 more and we're at 777. My favorite number. And we have 40 people watching. Nice. 45 likes. We need 5 more and I'll give away an Apex account, any size you want. And I'll tell you how to get into the drawing here in just a moment. Once we reach that 50. Samuel, he's out of timeout. Take 3 micro now. Man, I'm in 5 micros right now. I wish you'd stop telling me to take trades, man. It's really annoying. And I'm not trying to be mean, but I'm going to trade the way I trade. David from Apex just gave us a like. And yeah, thanks, David. So now we need 4 more likes. Appreciate the sub too, David. Next, 941. Chris Peters, right on. Yeah, man, Apex is very cool, man. They like to support their sponsored traders. One thing I'm going to start doing too is everyone that's won an account, if you post about it like on your YouTube or your Facebook or Instagram, share it with a link to the live stream that got you the account, you're going to be put into a special category. So you'll get an entry, and I don't know how often, but as the channel grows, I will do it more often, but probably once every month or so, I'll pull from the people that have won that have shared it. All you gotta do is send me a screenshot whenever I send you your account from Apex. Share that you won an account on my channel. This was something that David from Apex actually suggested I do. I don't like that candle at all. Look at that. Ugh. Yannix, what's up? What's up, brother? Come on now, Wick. Got less than a minute left on this candle here. I don't believe it. It does not want to go down. No way. David Poe, let's go. There's your Apex guy. David works for Apex. He is my contact for Apex. 100 likes for a giveaway. Actually, I changed it to 50. I just haven't updated the banner. But I do have your banner on the one that you sent me. I guess you made that. I do have that there. I like that better than the one that I had before. Looks a little more professional. Appreciate you jumping in, David. That's awesome, man. Got stomped out. That sucks, T-Bird. How much did you hit a profit though? I never had Apex. Raleigh. Apex is actually really good, man. I like the accounts are cheap if you're an aggressive eval trader, especially. Those are good. Watch David give away 10 accounts. David, they're putting you on the spot, man. Hey, if he does it, he does it. That'd be awesome. He just sent me a bunch to share, so. Raleigh Moore, you should definitely try Apex. It's a good platform. All right, looks like we're pushing back up. Let's go. I think this long is just going to take time to play out. I'm probably not going to be here to watch it. Let's see how many we have. 47. We need 3 more likes and we'll do that giveaway. So if you haven't liked already, and if you don't care, just like it for someone else. You don't have to do it for you. Just support other traders. We like giving away accounts. I like helping people become profitable traders. 83% win rate. I thought you said 100%, man. My win rate currently is 62. My average win loss is 26 versus 27, so $1 off. My profit factor is 155. Yesterday's win rate was, I don't remember what it was. Let's see. Let's see, my average win rate is around 70%, give or take. 3 likes and giveaway. Yeah, man, 3 likes. Hey, man, thanks for giving back. Absolutely, sir. Appreciate it. I enjoy it. I like giving away free accounts, man. Hopefully, with these free accounts, you make something out of it, you know? And it's always a good thing because if you haven't, like, who was it? Raleigh? Never has had an Apex account. Well, you're in for a nice little treat. Go make yourself an Apex account just in case you win. And if you buy an account, it's 80% off, and it's like $17 for an account, literally. Use the code JSDT. I'm hoping we hit 777 subscribers today while we're live, because that number is significant. It means a lot to me. 777. Raleigh Moore, nice. Black off 2. Uh-oh, 2 more to go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get the giveaway ready. Let me just get that started. Cave, what are you doing, man? How you been, bro? Hey, can you send me a message on Discord? I have something for you. Let's see. Giveaways. Where you at? There you are. Mel T won last time. Paul S won. Chris Peters won. Got a bunch of winners. Massey Anwari. He's already getting started. I hadn't started it yet. Haven't? No, don't do it yet. Hang on. Massey Anwari knows how to do the giveaway though. He is all ready. Apex. You're gonna have to type that code in, but just a minute. Yeah, Cave, hit me up on Discord, please, sir. I got something for you. All right, you have to be subscribed to my channel. So if you're not, then you cannot be a part of the giveaway. So make sure you subscribe if you're not. All right, giveaway has started, but we still need 3 more likes. So we won't do it if it doesn't reach. So, but you can go ahead and get your tickets in. David Poe, 3 likes to give away. Chris Peters, yeah, I got one a few weeks ago. Samuel, I never trade the night. For me, it's too slow and no liquidity. I'm going to have to put you in timeout again, man. Massey and Wari, always first to type, but never won. Samuel, sir, but for toning with you, except... I don't understand what you're saying, bro. Chris Peters, you're awesome, brother. Thank you, man. You are too, sir. Daniel Gutes, Apex. All right. Everybody can start entry, but we still need 2 more likes before we do the giveaway. David's watching. I gotta do it. 50 likes. Yeah, so you type in exclamation point and then Apex, like what I just typed there, and it'll send you a message from Streamlabs saying, Ken, you've received 1 ticket. Just give it a second. David McDowell, there you go. Everybody that's typing in Apex, you get a ticket. All right, so market's starting to trend up. Can we get through the VWAP? If we get through VWAP, I'm going to go in about a full mini. Samuel Sire, I'm sorry, dude, but you got to go, man. Hide user on this channel. There we go. It's very rare that I ban anyone from my channel, but dude, you are super annoying, and we're not gonna do all that. Angelo, make sure you put, and Mr. G, make sure you put an exclamation point before the Apex word. So exclamation Apex. Chris Peters, make sure you put the exclamation exactly like I'm typing it now. Just copy. Whoa, wrong thing. Just copy exactly what I'm putting into the chat right now. And we've hit 50 likes, so the giveaway is on. Cave Trader, nice long. Thank you, sir. Dave Poe, Apex. If Dave wins, maybe he'll give away a bunch of Apex accounts. I appreciate you hanging out with us, Dave. I feel like I have a celebrity watching. If we get through VWAP, man, I'm literally about to push hard on my Apex accounts and Top Step here. Look at that push. Don't reject. Please, have 2 minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more contract in just in case she pushes through. But I'm going to put my stop at break even. Just like $10 or so. Look at that push. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. All right, we're guaranteed $13, but I'd really like to see it push even higher. Black off me. Bro, the Apex guy entered the contest. Yeah, he did. I saw that. But he can't use the account, I don't think. I'm not sure. He might. I mean, I doubt he'll keep it. He gets them for free. Oh, I missed the 777 subscribers. That sucks. I wanted to see that number on there. That's okay. All right, we're gaining back our loss here. Let's go ahead and we got 50 seconds left. I'm going to keep my scaling in slow because I feel like we might reject again. It doesn't look like it's pushing too hard. Let's go with 8 contracts here. We're up 61. I'm going to put my stop at VWAP because if it comes down below VWAP, then it's probably going to hang up. Thanks for talking with me. Just Appreciate it, Tay-Day. No problem, man. Anytime. All right, we got stopped out. We rejected at VWAP. Doesn't mean it won't push through, but so far, rejection. That's why I put my stop there, because if it goes below VWAP, it's probably going to come back down a little bit. But who knows? I really want to see it close above. One second, Cave. I got you. All right, we closed above. I'm going to put another micro trade in, and we'll risk about low here. We'll scale into this one too. 1 second, Cave. I'm going to send you something real quick. One moment. Copy. Have you started giveaway yet? Giveaway has started. Just type in the exclamation Apex, and you'll be entered. You'll see a response to your text saying you've been given a ticket. No problem, Cave. Thank you, sir. Bro, the Apex guy ended the con. All right, we're up like $30 here. Where's my stop at? I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even on this one also. I wish I was copy trading right now, to be honest with you.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh, that was loud. No problem, Cave. Cave won an account a little bit ago, and he wasn't here to collect it. All right, we're at 53 likes. Wow. All right, guys, we have just a couple minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and do the giveaway. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, let me just show you guys who's all entered. One moment. All right, if you don't see your name on here, make sure you get it on. Daniel Goots, Messi and Wari, Ken, myself, David McDowell, Domit, Raleigh Mora, Albert Tambalo, Edward Martin, Christian Landry, T-Bird Trading, Angelo Hunt, Mr. G, David Poe, our Apex guy, Sleepwalker, Chris Peters, Tony Lanes, LK Trades. If you don't see your name, you're not in the giveaway. So type in the code, exclamation point, Apex. All right, I'm going to set a little timer. We got 3 minutes, all right? Black off, I didn't see your name on there, actually. Let me double check. No, sir. Type in exactly this. Just copy and paste what I put in the screen here, or on the chat. Type exactly what I just put on there. Can you see it? I don't know if it went through or not. Yeah, it did. Type it in, Black off. It's not too late. Mr. G, let's go. How many accounts are you giving away? I'm just doing one right now. If David Poe wants to give away more, he's more than welcome. He's our Apex contact. He's the guy from Apex. Look at that nice run to the upside there. Boom. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go. Sleepwalker, ICB. Let's go. Black off. Type in exclamation Apex. All right, I'm setting a timer for 3 minutes. Timer 3 minutes. And then it doesn't matter if you're not in, you're not in. Can't win. Black off. Make sure you type in what I posted. Exclamation Apex. Just like that. Got 2.5 minutes until we stop entries. Jav just got in. Black off. Make sure you get in, man. LK Trades got in. Raleigh Moore got in. How many people we got in now? We have 20 tickets so far. If I could add you Black off, I would, man, but I can't. You have to do it yourself. RJ, what's up, player? What's up, bro? Black off, bro. What's up, man? I'm trying to help you get in. If you're not a subscriber, it won't work either, by the way. You have to be a subscriber to the channel. You can always unsubscribe later, I guess. May need a translator for Black off. Nah, Black off knows what's going on. He's all good. I don't understand. What do you say? Oh, maybe he does. Copy and paste. Type Apex. The exclamation point. Here, let me show you. Let me just pull it on the screen here. 1 second. How can I do this? Well, let's go to a notepad. How do you make this huge? Type this in the screen. Type this in your screen. This exact word. Exclamation Apex. We got 10 seconds, man. Can't hang out much longer.
Order filled.
All right, timer's up. Sorry if you don't make it through. Black off. I feel really bad for you. No space. I don't think he's trolling. I don't know if he need. I don't know what's going on, but there you go, Black off. You did it, man. You did it. All right, cool. Black off. You got it. You're awesome, man. Good deal. I just want to see. I just want to see you in the tickets here, bud. All right, he's in. All right, we're done. Closing entries. He made it. You can no longer enter the raffle, guys. All right, we are going to pull this down here and pick a winner. Everyone guess who you think is going to win. I think Massey Anwari. I feel like Massey Anwari is going to win. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Chat at the guy. All right, man. Congratulations on your win. Let me send you this account. I need to see your email. Tony Lanes, Black off. All right, this guy won, or that guy won. Now, David Poe, if you're still here, man, you're welcome to give other accounts away. I can hit the pick a winner as many times as you give me permission to. All right, that guy, make sure you have your email address on your channel, okay? I'm going to go to your channel and see if it's on there real quick. Wow, we have a really... All right, we're rejecting again off the VWAP. I keep wanting to call this EMA. VWAP, hopefully it rejects and goes to the upside. All right, that guy, you have no email. Go to your About section on your account and put your email here. Please and thank you. Tony Lanes, what? HH. Massey and Wari, man, I'm sorry, dude. Maybe next time. Alright, let's see. Make sure you change your name, sir, so I can get you done. Where do I send my email? So you got to go to your About page on your YouTube account. Here, let me see if I can show you. Alright, I'll show you mine real quick. See this little icon, your picture, your name, whatever? Click that, alright? And then you're going to go to either YouTube Studio or View Your Channel. Okay, go to View Your Channel and then click on Customize Channel, right? Click on Customize. Alright, and then down here, if you scroll, you can either put it in here in the description or you can add it down here. Your email goes right here, sir. And when it shows there, it'll show up on your channel. So if you don't want it there, just take it off later. But I need to see it on your specific channel because I don't want someone to change their username and be like, hey. Oh man, look at that rejection. Boo. That's okay. Tomorrow for New York Open, we have to make an extra $200. All right, let's check. That guy. Boom, boom. Let's see. All right, I got it. 1 second, bro. I'll send you your... account. All right, man. Make sure you also go on Facebook. As many places as you want. You'll get a ticket for another entry. You have to share the link to my channel, the live that you just watched, and then say that you won a free account. Post it on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. One or all three. Every one of them will get you a entry into the other drawing. Bear with me while I get your account here. 1 second. David. One second, I haven't sent it to you yet. I'm working on it. All right, that guy. Do you have an Apex account? That guy said, "Thanks for the congratulations, guys." Yeah, no problem, man. Your stop loss is in the right place. Take the 300K account. Massianwari recommends. Yeah, I feel like my stop loss is in the right place too because we got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Should make new higher highs, hopefully, but we'll see. That guy said I received the code. Just go to apextraderfunding.com and use the code. You should be just good. Otherwise, let me know and I'll let David know. And David will fix it if we need to. So that guy has never actually traded at Apex, which is cool. No problem, brother. Nose is itching. About to sneeze. Excuse me. Muted it, but I didn't. I didn't mute in time. Sneezies. Dang, we hit 57 likes tonight, guys. Not quite a record yet, but man, getting close. Raleigh Moore, God bless you too, sir. Thank you so much for that. I need all the blessings I can get. God has definitely blessed me, and I'm very appreciative. Honestly, I don't like the trade anymore. If it goes below this purple line, really and truly. Jeez. She's definitely trying to work up, but we'll see how long it takes. Could come crashing down, though. I sure hope not. Cody Hudnall, how many people failed combines today, you think? Man, there's probably no telling how many people. I wish I knew, though. That would be cool. Cool information to have. I can tell you what, one thing, I'm not one of them. Today I was in the green. Yesterday I was in the green. Every day I've been in the green. Messi and Rory, last week I bought about 5 accounts using your code. Yeah, I remember, man. I really appreciate it. Make sure you buy more. It helps support the channel, more giveaways. That's why they give me the giveaways, because people keep using my code, which is good. And then we have the Apex guy himself on our stream, which is cool. As long as this thing does not go lower than that purple line, I'm fine. I'm going to grab the iPad and watch this trade in bed. I don't know. I might let it just play out. Black off. EK. Albert. Welcome to the Discord. Big Daddy Gunna. MT. Ali Abbas. Invest with Doc. Delightful Panda. Thank you guys for joining the Discord. We're about to hit 100 members on the Discord. Good night, Massey. Appreciate you. Cody Hudnall. Bunch of laughs. Yeah, man. It sucks. People failing a bunch of combines. You're not supposed to be trading behind me. I know I've lost $81 today, but that's not a lot. I'm Big Daddy Gunna, gamer name. Raleigh. Appreciate you joining, sir. Everything in my ecosystem is pretty brand new, so I don't really have a lot of engagement, but that should change soon. We've been growing pretty steadily. Engagement's kind of hit or miss, but every new subscriber helps for sure. I really want to hit that 1,000 mark. The market is not cooperating today from Mr. G. No, not completely, but you expect pullbacks, right? Honestly, I could probably buy a couple more here, right? And maybe make it a mini trade. If it goes below this purple line, though, I'm definitely out. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you hanging out. I am going to hit the sack. I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm ready to go to bed. It's been a long day. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. Keep on trading. Peace.